Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, guys, follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, let's look at what you'll be expecting on GBPUSD for the next day, which is for July 11. So let's start with the trend first. We all know before you take any trade, you would want to know the trend, and the easiest way to know this trend is by going to the daily time frame. So you will see it. Or let's for easy access. So we clearly can see that from year to year, market is moving. What can you see? It is an uptrend move. We all know when market is giving us that uptrend, we'll be expecting an higher highs, which it will continue to push up. Right. So let's start from here for easier access. Let's take from higher highs here, then here comes the higher lows. What can you see here? This is an higher highs, and what this is it here? Higher lows. So what next do you expect on GBPUSD? Of course, a new higher highs, which it has just given us, right? You can see that the new higher highs just took out the previous highs, right? So we should be expecting some movement to the upside, which it will still push up again. Once it pushes up, then a pullback, then another higher high. So basically, our market bias on GBPUSD is still to the upside. So personally, I'll still expect it to push up a bit. Then a correction will be made. Once a pullback is being made, you can go ahead and take the buy. So if you want to go in for the buy, I think it is possible. It will be best if you wait for a pullback. If it will be best you let it to push up a bit, wait for a pullback. Once it give us a significant pullback, then that would be a good opportunity to go long, especially if you are a swing trader. That would be the best opportunity. Once it pushes up a bit, a pullback, then go ahead and take the buy. So that is what we'll be expecting. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.